let's play a short game. Say you have $100,000 to save in a bank, and piggy bank offers you a promotional 4.95% interest where interest is paid out monthly. Porky bank, on the other hand, tries to one-up piggy bank by offering you a higher interest rate of 5%. However, porky bank pays out interest half-yearly instead. Let's say you want to save this amount for 2 years. Which bank would you choose? You may pause this video now to work out which is the better package. And we're back. Hope you had fun trying to work out the two proposals. What you can do is to work out how much interest a hypothetical dollar would earn at the end of a year, using what you've learnt so far. But here we are going to learn the concept of effective annual rate. This concept essentially brings the offerings of both banks to the same base. That is, how much interest is effectively being paid in a whole year. So how do we calculate the effective annual rate? Remember, here we are trying to calculate the amount of interest earned at the end of a 1-year period. This formula should be familiar to you now. The future value of my money is simply what I've now multiplied by a future value factor. Remember that the R and the N have to always correspond to the same unit of time. What we want to find here is the increase in value, hence we need to subtract 1, which is effectively the principal, from the factor. And there you have it. The effective annual rate is simply the future value factor minus 1. Let's figure out what the effective annual rate is for piggy bank. Since the interest is paid out monthly, we divide the annual interest rate by 12, which gives us 0.4125%. Plug that into the formula, remembering that n is 12 because there are 12 months in a year, and what you get is an effective annual rate of 5.064%. Over at Porky Bank, the annual interest is divided by 2, since there are 2 half years in a year. That gives us a 2.5% interest per period. Plug that into the formula, and we get an effective annual rate of 5.063%, slightly less than what piggy bank offers. So you see, even though Porky Bank advertises a higher annual rate than piggy bank, the amount of interest is effectively less than what piggy bank offers. Effective annual rate allows us to compare interests that are compounded at different frequencies on an even platform. Now you know, don't get fooled by what's on the surface. So as you may have figured out by now, the more frequent the payout, the higher the effective annual rate. So what happens when the frequency becomes infinite? The interest is said to compound continuously. The expression for continuous compounding is e to the power r minus 1, where e is the mathematical constant that is approximately 2.718. This is programmed into your calculator. To find the future value, simply use this formula. Do take a short while to remember these formulas before we proceed to one last exercise to drill this in.
You're watching an excerpt from our comprehensive animation library. For more videos like these, head on down to prepnuggets.com. At Prep Nuggets, let us do the hard work for you.